Yes, you can earn $9,000 in pure passive income using this completely new Google trick, but for this, you have to set up a system in total 5 steps. Also, I will announce the $50 giveaway winner somewhere in this video, so stay tuned until the end. Step number 1 is to come over to Google and search for Google Presentation. Select this link of docs.google.com, and on next page you can create a new blank presentation from this plus sign, or you can use any of these templates available here for creating your presentation, which I think is a lot easier because once you select some of the templates, you can just drag and drop. You can customize everything like background color, text, etc., and you can create a nice presentation. And don't worry, you don't need to sell anything, and this is not affiliate marketing. This is the best way of how to make money online 2022, which no one else is talking about on YouTube. So for second step, I want you to come over to similarweb.com, and if you don't know already, SimilarWeb is a website where you can check the stats of any other website or app. So just search for Instagram in the search box and select the first option of Instagram. And if you scroll down you will see that Instagram gets over 6 billion visits per month, 6 billion. But only 5% of them are making money on Instagram. All other people use Instagram for entertainment purpose only, and they also want to know how they can make money from it. And if you add TikTok in this comparison, you will see that TikTok is getting 1.8 billion visits per month, and people also want to earn money from TikTok. And today I will show you how you can make money using this opportunity without selling anything or without any affiliate marketing. Also, if you stick until the end of this video, I will show you a website from where you can get everything done for you, and you can start to make passive income from today itself. So for the step number 3, I want you to come over to udemy.com. Udemy is an educational website where you can learn different professional courses like design, development, marketing, business, etc. by paying a little fee for those courses. But you don't need to buy any courses and you don't need to pay for anything. I want you to come to the top of this page and search for Instagram growth. And on next page, you will find different Instagram courses where you can learn how to grow your Instagram and how you can make money with it. So they have just uploaded their courses on Udemy, and Udemy keeps promoting their courses and they keep making money. For example, this one creator here got close to 500 reviews on his course. But as we know, not all people leave reviews after going through the course. So let's say 1,000 total people would have enrolled in this course, and according to that, this creator earned over $16,000 in pure passive income just from this one course right here. But don't worry, as mentioned before, you don't need to sell any courses. I just want you to watch how they are teaching Instagram and TikTok growth strategies. You can buy these courses to learn if you want to, but that's completely optional because I will show you 2 completely free methods to learn this. Now if you search for TikTok growth in the search box, you will find many different courses by different creators. But you don't need to buy any of these courses to learn Instagram and TikTok growth strategies. You can just come over to discudemy.com and find different Instagram and TikTok courses for free, and you can learn from them. Disc Udemy will provide you free 100% discount coupons, which you can use to learn how they are teaching TikTok and Instagram growth hacks, etc. You just have to search for TikTok in the search bar, and it will show you the TikTok growth hacks complete course, which you can watch and learn for free. And at the end of the video, I will show you the website that will do all the hard work for you, so stay tuned. Now step number 4 is to come over to Google and search for Skillshare in the search bar. Click on this first website and it will take you to this page. Skillshare is also an educational platform like Udemy where you can teach and learn different courses. But the only difference is, on Skillshare, you don't pay for each and every course you want to watch, but you only pay a fixed small monthly fee, and you can watch any course available on Skillshare.com. Now I want to show you this course on Skillshare, Top 10 Skills to Boost Your Confidence. If you open this and watch this class, you will find that it's all just a presentation similar to PowerPoint presentation or Google Slides presentation. This person is just showing some presentation on their screen and they're just talking into their mic. So it's just a screen recording of their Google presentation or PowerPoint presentation. And this has a massive potential because you don't have to chase the customers, you're not selling anything, and you're not doing affiliate marketing. And I am going to show you exactly how to do that. You literally just need to post your presentation on Skillshare.com, and Skillshare is going to drive traffic to your course. You don't need any traffic sources for this, and you don't need any following at all. It's proven to work, and I have myself tested it out. And because we will create presentations related Instagram and TikTok growth hacks, we will get even more views and watch time because as I showed you, there is already 6 billion visits per month on Instagram. So by teaching Instagram growth hacks, we can easily make over $9,000 in pure passive income. Students pay monthly fees on Skillshare, so they sign up for Skillshare and they pay maybe $5 to $10 a month to watch different courses available on Skillshare. And once they pay for membership, they do not have to pay particularly for your course. So when they will watch your course on Skillshare, for every minute they watch, you are going to get paid 5 to 10 cents. And in my opinion, it will be around 8 cents per minute. So if you upload a 60 minutes long course on Skillshare, you're gonna get paid $4.80 per student. And as per SimilarWeb, Skillshare is getting over 9 million visits per month. So if you get only 2,000 students watching your 60 minutes class, you will be making over $9,600 in pure passive income by just uploading the simple Google presentations explaining Instagram growth hacks. And that's from just one course. If you upload TikTok growth hacks also, you will be making much more than this. And even if you don't want to create the course by yourself and you don't want to use your voice for for voiceover. I will show you a secret method to get it done for free, so stay tuned. But first of all, come over to Skillshare.com and sign up with your email from here. It's absolutely free to sign up on Skillshare, but if in some case they ask you for payment, you do not have to pay for anything, and just click on the Skillshare icon on top left corner and it will take you to your homepage where you can find different courses available. Once you do that, just scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website and just click on Become a Teacher. That's going to take you over to the next page where you can read more about this if you want to, or just click on Start a Class on the top, and here you can start uploading your lectures from Upload Videos button. And in the class details section, you have to select the language for the course, where if you select the English language, you will get more views. Then you have to give your class a title related to what you want to teach, for example, Instagram growth hacks. Then provide a clear description of the class and description for this project of this class. Then you have to choose a category, which will be business in this case, and in the subcategory, you can select marketing because we are teaching the Instagram marketing. And then just select level as intermediate level for your class and add tags in this last box related to Instagram, Instagram growth, Instagram marketing, etc. And then just scroll up to the top of this page and click on submit, and you can start to make money online. Now the winner of $50 giveaway is all the audience watching this video. Yes, all of you will get the $50 giveaway, which you can use for this method and can make money online. So, as you can see, this Instagram ebook was of $50 when I purchased it, and I will provide you this ebook for free as a giveaway on my channel. All you have to do is to follow me on Instagram. This is my page, Cash Pro YouTube. Just send me DM saying, I want Instagram ebook, and I will provide you the link of that ebook, which you can download and read for free. And you can use that ebook for creating your Google presentation for free. You can simply copy and paste texts from that ebook, and in just 15 minutes, you can create your Instagram growth presentation. You can use the OBS Studio for recording your screen and explaining your Google presentation. Then you can just write a simple script with the help of ebook, and you can use the Google text-to-speech software for free to voice over your video course. That's it for today. Subscribe to my friend's YouTube channel, Finance Girl. She is uploading daily make money online videos. Peace out.